In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Etsy with QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in QuickBooks to find the official Etsy connector and start the integration confidently. First, make sure you're in the correct QuickBooks Online company and that you have the necessary admin access. Having your Etsy shop information handy will also help the setup go smoothly. Now, inside QuickBooks Online, head to the search bar at the top of the screen. Click into it and type the word app. This quick search helps surface the tools and links related to apps so you don't have to dig through menus. From the results that appear, select Find Integrations. This opens as QuickBooks App Marketplace, where you can browse and connect trusted apps. If your layout looks a little different, you may also see an Apps or Find Apps option in the left navigation. Either way, you want to land on the Integrations area. Once you're there, use the search box and type Etsy. Give it a moment to load the results. You'll see several options, but look for the official one labeled Etsy Connector by QuickBooks. Selecting the official connector helps ensure compatibility, ongoing support, and streamlined mapping with your QuickBooks accounts. Click into Etsy Connector by QuickBooks to open its app page. Here you can review a brief description of what it syncs, typically orders, fees, taxes, and payouts, along with any notes about plan availability or regional support. When you're ready, click Get Integration Now. QuickBooks may ask you to confirm which company you're connecting, and you'll see a permission screen explaining what data will be shared. Review those details carefully, then continue after you click Get Integration Now. QuickBooks guides you through an on-screen setup flow. You'll connect your Etsy shop securely and confirm a few preferences, such as how sales and fees are categorized. It's helpful to know which income, fee, and deposit accounts you want to use in your chart of accounts before you proceed, but you can also adjust mapping later if needed. If any prompts ask for confirmation or authorization, simply follow them as displayed on your screen. That's it. You've opened the integrations area, searched for Etsy, selected Etsy Connector by QuickBooks, and chosen Get Integration Now to start the connection. Once you complete the guided setup, the connector will begin syncing according to the preferences you selected. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and replay any section as you work through your own connection.